In the world of football, a legend named Sir Bobby Charlton carved his name into history. On a fateful Saturday, October 21st, at the age of 86, he departed this world, leaving behind a story that echoed through the ages. His legacy was not just defined by his unparalleled skills on the field, but by extraordinary resilience that lived within him. Sir Bobby Charlton, born Robert Charlton in Ashington, England on October 11, 1937, was a legendary figure in football. His illustrious career was defined by his time at Manchester United. Debuting for the club in 1956, Charlton became a pivotal force in the team's success during the 1950s and 1960s, contributing significantly to their victories in domestic competitions and international competitions. On the international stage, Charlton represented England and played an essential role in his historic 1966 FIFA World Cup triumph. His contributions were recognized with numerous awards and honors, including a knighthood in 1994 for its services to the sport. One of the most thrilling incidents of his life was when he survived a harrowing plane crash in 1958, an event that claimed the lives of 8 of his fellow Manchester United teammates. Charlton was only just 20 at that time and survived the crash miraculously. Charlton's injuries were significant, including head wounds and severe shock, but he somehow pulled through. His survival was a testament to his resilience and the determination that would define his career. While recovering from his injuries, he displayed an indomitable spirit, not only regaining his health, but also refuting to the football field just 2 months after the crash. His remarkable comeback showcased his unwavering dedication to the sport and his team. Primarily deployed as an attacking midfielder, Charlton graced the pitch for Manchester United on a staggering 758 times during his remarkable 17-year tenure with the club. Condoling his family, Manchester United said in a statement, and I quote, "The club's heartfelt sympathies are with his wife, Lady Norma, his daughters and grandchildren, and all who loved him. He was admired as much for his sportsmanship and integrity as he was for his outstanding qualities as a footballer. Sir Bobby will always be remembered as a giant of the game." Unquote. Charlton passed away peacefully in the early hours of Saturday, surrounded by his family, according to a statement from his family per the English Football Association. His family would like to pass on their thanks to everyone who has contributed to his care and for many people who have loved and supported him. We would request that the family's privacy be respected at that time. The statement read.